Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and helpful video for any of you trying to find the knock sensor, fuses and relays, guys, on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. Also guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, knock sensor, stay with us, we'll explain. We'll put the information in the description of the video below. If you need anything, check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the knock sensor, let's explain which fuses and relays we need to check. By the way, if you want to see how to test a knock sensor, it's not very complicated and you'll be able to figure out if it works or not. That way you do not waste money and time. We'll have the video on our YouTube channels. Check it out. The fuses relays for knock sensor. Before we continue, quick advice. Most owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's okay, guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It's a video that can save you a lot of money. Let's open the hood, guys. Facing the engine. You see that's your engine right here. That's the engine. On the right side of it, that's the driver's side. Main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So guys, okay, here, if you have that multi-air engine, the 2.4 engine, we have more than 200 free repair videos on this YouTube channel. Check it out, how to fix, repair almost anything on it. Talking about even crankshaft, talking about pistons, anything you can think of, guys. We took it completely apart, show you about timing chains and all that stuff. So very helpful videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Here, the information about fuses and relays. There is very limited information about that sensor, but we need to check all engine management main fuses. So stay with us, we'll check all of them. You may have all of them or some of them depending on the year, model and engine. But you may need to check fuse number 7 if you have one. Fuse number 8 right here, fuse number 10, fuse number 16. You're going to have, guys, fuse number 13. You see these two relays? We didn't do a good job, but right here between the relays we have one fuse. Red fuse, check it out. Fuse number 30 now, guys. Fuse number 30 is a double fuse known as micro 3-blade fuse. Very important fuse, always keep some spares, those are hard to find. Check fuse number 59. We're talking about that fuse right here, guys, fuse number 59, and then we need to locate fuse number 83 right here. You don't have any relays. The relay function is controlled practically by the engine computer. Those are known as relay fuses. That's the only thing that you need to check for the fuses on Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.